another presentation again, and it's always exciting for me to do presentations, especially with respect to MMM activities. I would first of all start by saying thank you to the organizers of this MMM guidance schools and to the facilitator, the originator, Sam Sejima Brody. I would be very, very, very grateful to every other persons who made this thing a nice one. Yeah, I have a lot to talk about as much as my experiences in MMM Guidance School is concerned. But to start with, I decided to make a screenshot of the daily task, and this daily task actually shows the professionalism that we went through as much as the class was involved, because wherever anyone is able to pen down activities and roll things to fall according to time, it shows the person is organized. With this screenshot to start with is already a plus to the organizers of this guidance schools, how skillful they are in their way of organization. Much more I will be able to talk about, but time will not allow me to do that. But specifically, I'll be very grateful to all the videos that were uploaded for us to watch, specifically the one that talked about the educational system of life, how education is obsolete, and how future learning will be perceived by everyone who actually wants to develop critical minds in trying to teach themselves as much as the global world is concerned. If you can get to see even the first day of the program in the school, we were able to go through everything that has to do with the MMM. We watched how MMM works, how it has affected a lot of communities, how people begin to understand MMM, and if you want to know all the objections that were associated with MMM, where we asked to answer some questions, and trust me, those questions were as good as possible. Well, on the second day, we made to understand to read about the evolution of MMM, and that information actually broadened my scope about MMM, because actually before I came to this guidance school, I've actually been doing a lot for MMM, try to talk people about it. For MMM school was able to expound my knowledge and give me an in-depth understanding of the origination of MMM, where it is now, how it started, and where it shall be times from now. And with this, I can boldly stand to defend MMM ideology, because MMM ideology was actually the cream I got in this school. Because today, people ask a lot of questions. How do you make your 30%? How are you sure it will not crash? How do you know these people are not scam? A lot of questions today because of MMM Guidance School. I'm able to answer a lot of questions. No, I give kudos to Sergio Mavrodi. And very seriously, very other aspect of this MMM Guidance School was the exposure to using internet to achieve a lot of goals. Today we are looking toward B2C, the business to commerce, and today everything is on the internet. How you could share links, how you could upload videos, how you could blog, how you could even make money through the videos you share on the internet. A lot has been taught. I would recommend that if this particular lesson could even be given to all MMM participants and not just for guiders. They need to know this, they need to understand this. What also caught me across was the fourth day of the program, where we were told how to create a female account, and obviously I've observed that when the female uploads a photo, the likes you get cannot be compared to the photo when a guy uploads a photo. And this I've been able to understand some secret behind how females account on Facebook tends to attract a lot of likes, a lot of comments, a lot of posts, a lot of reactions, while considering that of the male. And it's still in that day for there was a particular test we had to write on Sergi Mavrodis biography. That test was absolutely perfect, man. I give kudos to everyone who put this MMM guidance school together to equip us to get to know better. Man, I also what also inspired me was the final task, where today we are I'm still on that fourth day, where we needed to make a promotion, an offline promotion on MMM. Yeah, I've been able to upload my own part of it, and it was almost so interesting, because during the point of time where I was trying to draft my promotion, I began to see a lot of reasons why I think if I'm actually given the opportunity, if I'm actually giving this $1,000, trust me, MMM would be so glad at the presentation I will make, especially in that Ogonogo market where we have a lot of persons coming to do different trades. These people need to come to MMM. These people need to stop going to put their money in a place where they will not get interest. They need to come to know that yes, there's a place where you just put your money, where you can donate your money to anyone who needs the money and get 30% out of it. Trust me, when such things are carried out in the market square, the number of participants you will get cannot be compared to anywhere. Yeah, finally was the last day of the class where we needed to talk about what you experience, how you enjoy the class, and this is exactly the kind of video I'm trying to make now to make everyone know that MMM Guardian School is just a school that to me it needs to be inculcated into the syllabus of everyone who thinks they want to move along with the global trend in as much as surviving these times are concerned. Thank you for listening, and once again thank you to everyone, especially Mr. Success and my team, everyone who participated in this batch 114 gather class for this year 2016 November. Kudos to every one of you. Trust me, we're going to see ourselves flying the golden color as much as we became a guardian. From being a guardian, we'll grow to other aspects to mentor. And trust me, one day we'll look forward to meeting top personnel over outside the country or how we can discuss forward how MMM can be promoted. Thank you once again. Nacha Emmanuel is my name. And remain blessed.